You know, the popular opinion is that youth will triumph in this fight. 30 years old lang ito si Barrios. Pero alam mo, sabi ko, very critical dito yung first 5 rounds ng labang ito. Palagay ko dito, may nervous yung Barrios at dito tatama yung Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao actually has a chance to win this fight because Barrios, in my opinion, was picked precisely because his style is tailor-made for Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao has a hell of a chance in this fight to pull it off because this is not Marquez, this is not De La Hoya, this is I'm not, no offense to Barrios, but like I said, he is unproven as welterweight champion. So Pacquiao must take this fight in the early rounds. He cannot afford this fight to drag on. Once this fight drags on, the momentum will shift. Iba yung bata eh. Iba yung 29 years old eh. Pag pinayagan niya na tukuran na lang siya nung Barrios, jab-jab na lang siya. At malakas po yung Barrios ha. This guy knocked down your Dennis Ugas with a mere jab. Ano? So, Pacquiao must really have to take this fight in the early rounds. At least first half ng laban. Because may hirapan siya. Yung kay Ugas, nakita nyo, in the second half of the fight, nagmumukha na siyang target practice kay Yordenis Ugas eh. The age will show. So as much as possible, take this fight out. But like I said, Barrios is the favorite in this fight. But do not count out the Pac-Man because this is no ordinary fighter coming back. This is the Pac-Man. He can still be the man.